7th class maths. Children, now in this video I am starting new chapter, second chapter, that is fractions, decimals and rational numbers. So in this video I am discussing about the fractions. So here I am discussing concept of fractions. So it is very easy, you can understood easily. Here 4 friends are there. 4 friends, that is Ravi, Ramu, Raghu, Ramesh. 4 friends are there. So in these 4 friends, one of the Ramesh birthday is there. So for birthday what we have to do, children? We have to take one cake and cut it, and we should distribute the friends. So Ramesh is brought one cake. He brought one cake. So how many friends are there? 4 members are there. So this is divided into 4 equal parts, right? So one part for Ravi, one part for, first part for Ravi, second part is Ramu, third part is Raghu, fourth part is Ramesh. So equally they are taken division. So means here we have only one cake. One cake is divided into 4 parts. So Raghu, Ravi is having cake. Is how much he is having? Out of 4 pieces, 1 piece is taken by the Ravi. That is, total pieces are 4. 1 piece is taken by the Ravi. This is called fraction, or it is also called as ratio. Okay children, 1 by 4. It is also written as ratio, 1:4 or 1 by 4. So this is 1/4 of the cake is taken by the Ravi. Similarly, Ramu is also having cake 1/4, and Raghu is also having cake 1/4. Ramesh is also having cake 1/4. So total how many cakes are there? Only one cake. So total of these all, Ravi cake plus Ramu cake plus Raghu cake plus Ramesh cake. So 4 is the LCM. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So how many cakes we got it? Total cake is only 1, that is distributed to 4 people. This is one kind of fraction. Another example we will discuss. Same thing. Example 2, you consider it. Same one cake they brought, but here only 3 friends are there. That is Raju, Ganesh and Shiva. 3 friends are there. In these 3 friends, one of the person, the Shiva, is having very much interested in the cake. So he needed more cake. So this is divided into total 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, total 4 parts. So first part is taken by Raju. Second part is taken by Ganesh. So remaining two parts are taken by Shiva. So means here fraction is Raju having cake. Raju, how much? Total 4 cakes, 4 pieces. Out of 4 pieces, Raju was taken only 1 piece. That is 1 by 4. Ganesh having cake is equal to same 1 by 4. But Shiva having cake. Total 4 pieces, but he was taken 2 pieces. That's why right here it is 2. That is 2 by 4. So 2 parts out of 4 parts was taken by the Shiva. 1 part out of 4 parts taken by the Ganesh. 1 part out of 4 parts is taken by the Raju. Now we should do the total. Total cake 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. That is 4 is the LCM. 1 plus 1 plus 2. It is equal to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 4 by 4. It is cancel 1. Same 1 cake. Here is also 1 cake. Here is also 1 cake. But the ratio is difference. Okay. Another one more example. Here example 3. Same cake but only 2 friends. Kalyan and Mallesh. Here is also they have cut into 4 pieces, but 1 piece is taken by the Kalyan. Remaining 3 pieces are taken by Mallesh. Means Kalyan having cake. Kalyan having cake. Out of 4 parts, 1 part only taken. Out of 4 parts, 1 part only taken. But Mallesh having cake. How many pieces? 3 pieces are taken out of 4. That is 3 by 4 ratio. Here is also you do total 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. It is 4 LCM. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 by 4. It is 1. So total ratio again it is also 1. 1 cake is distributed to 2 people, but one person was taken only 1 piece. But another person was, Mallesh was taken 3 pieces. Who is taken more means Mallesh is taken more, Kalyan is taken less. This is called fraction. Fractions are 2 types. They are proper fraction and second one is improper fractions. Proper fraction means a proper fraction is a fraction that represents a part of whole. Means already we have discussed about the cake. So Ramu is taken 1 by 4th of cake. Means 4 is the whole, that is denominator, and 1 is the a part. Out of 4 parts he was taken 1 part, that is called whole. So that is called as proper fraction. This is also we can define like this also. A fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator is called the proper fraction. That is example 1 by 2. Here 1 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. So 1 is lesser than 2. Here 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 8 by 15. So numerator is lesser than the denominator. These fractions are called proper fraction. In a similar manner, improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction that represents a whole or more than a whole. So that is whole or more than its whole. Here or it is also defined like this. A fraction in which numerator is equal or more than to the denominator is called the improper fraction. Means that is numerator and denominator both will be equal, or numerator value must be greater than the denominator, means opposite to this first one, proper fraction. Proper fraction and improper fraction are opposite to each other. Here it is, numerator is, in the proper fraction, numerator is lesser than the denominator. In the improper fraction, denominator is the lesser than the numerator, or numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is also, improper fraction is also, it is also called as mixed fraction. How it is means, suppose 5 by 3 is there. 5 by 3 we can write it 1, 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. This is called mixed fraction. Similarly, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is equal to 2 3s are 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 3 1 by 2. This is also written as 3 plus 1 by 2. This is written as 1 plus 2 by 3. This is called mixed fraction. Okay children, now in this video we are discussed what is fraction, how it is forms, and how many types of fractions are there. That is proper fraction and improper fraction we have discussed in this video. Okay, next, in the next video we have to start the exercise 1. Then you practice perfectly, then you can understand easily the next exercise